Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. Well, it's the middle of December, and all of you, and I do mean all of you, have been waiting on bated breath, waiting for ATF's new pistol brace rule to drop, or what we call Rule 2021 R-08. Now, we have already been on a long odyssey with this rule. The rule was first published. We all freaked out. The rule was pulled back. We continued to freak out, and the rule is about to be published once again. And many of you know that the rule is going to be published sometime this month. We've been hearing mid-December, and I'm going to try to look at the tea leaves and figure out when I think the rule might actually officially drop. So today, let's spend a few important minutes and talk about when is ATF likely to drop their new pistol brace rule? Okay, so the issue we're talking about, again, is Rule 2021 R-08, ATF's new rules on firearms with attached stabilizing braces. Now, we've gone through this a million times, and there's a bunch of videos for you to check out if you're just now figuring out what's going on, but most of you are probably geeking out on this video right now because you know exactly what's going on. When do I believe that this rule is going to drop? Well, if we take a look at tools of the trades and rules of thumb as it relates to public relations, if the ATF and the Biden administration wanted to do this in the quietest way possible, then the rule of thumb is you always release things on a Friday, and the best time to do it would be a Friday going into a busy weekend that might be dominated by some other event, okay? So if you're going to be releasing good news, traditionally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mornings are the best time to be releasing good news. And so if the president wants to take yet another victory lap because he likes to take these fictitious victory laps all the time, then that is possible. But I do believe that there's going to be a much quieter rollout of this rule based upon the hundreds and hundreds of thousands of negative comments the last rule got. I think that this administration is going to want to quietly roll this out and do it at a time where not everyone in the gun-owning community just completely blows their mind. So what date would that be? A Friday right before a big holiday weekend. Oh yeah, Friday, December 23rd would be an absolutely perfect day to do it. And if I were advising the Biden administration on how to do something on the quietest day humanly possible, that's the date I would tell them to do it. Why? Well, it's a Friday, and by rule of thumb, that is a bad day to be releasing any type of public relations or PR material. And secondly, weekends have a tendency to be really low news cycles unless there's some cataclysmic event that goes on. And then holiday weekends have a tendency to be even lower news cycles barring some type of cataclysmic event. So listen, that's my prediction. I believe that the rule is going to drop on Friday, December 23rd, right before we go into the Christmas weekend. And also there is a federal holiday on Monday the 26th as well, going into essentially a 3-day weekend. We will find out when it does publish. When it does, we will do a video immediately. And remember that the rule will become effective 120 days following publication, barring the hundreds and hundreds of lawsuits that will certainly be flying around, all justifiably so. Listen, in the meantime, if you have any questions about this issue or anything else related to your Second Amendment rights, remember you can always contact us at WashingtonGunLaw.com, or of course you can call us directly at 425-765-0487. Now, let's remember, part of being a lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here at Washington Gun Law, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe.